here's a video going over the contacts on the silver side mandrel. Inside you have two brass contacts here. To remove them, there is going to be 4 Phillips screws that get unscrewed, and then they are held together with a center bracket that fits inside and lines up with the holes here. And then there's the outer bracket here. Inside, when you flip this down, you're going to see the 2 brass contacts. You'll want to make sure that that's fully unplugged before removing this. But here you can see that these brass contacts are interchangeable. These actually, you'll just want to take a flathead screwdriver and pull it over. We want to check these contacts here, make sure that there's no encroaching buildup here. Also make sure that the dirty side here is fully clean. So we have some dark buildup here. We want to make sure that's not there, and we can clean this with a brass wire brush. Is perfectly safe. These can also be replaced if they do fully wear out.